Today, I am going to explain the process of vacuum distillation. Vacuum distillation is a technique used to separate or purify liquids that have high boiling points or tends to decompose at high temperatures. The main principle behind this method is that when pressure decreases, the boiling point of liquid also decreases. So, by applying vacuum, we can distill substances at lower temperatures safely. Now let's look at the setup. The apparatus consists of round bottom flask, a distillation head, a thermometer, a condenser, a receiving flask, and vacuum pump. All the joints must be properly sealed to maintain reduced pressure. In this procedure, the impure liquid is taken in the round bottom flask, then the apparatus is assembled and the cooling water is started in the condenser. After that, vacuum is applied using the vacuum pump to reduce the pressure inside the system. Next, the mixture is heated gently using the heating mantle. Due to reduced pressure, the liquid starts boiling at lower temperature. The vapors forms travel through the condenser. When they cool down and convert back into the liquids. This purified liquid is collected in the receiving flask. Some important precautions include ensuring that all the connections are airtight, avoiding sudden pressure changes, and releasing the vacuum slowly after the experiment to prevent accident. In the conclusion, vacuum distillation is an effective method for purifying heat sensitive and high boiling substances, and it is widely used in industries like petroleum refining.